Imagine making an extra $1,000 every month using simple AI tools, without being a programmer, without building apps, and without spending money to get started. Sounds crazy, but right now, beginners all over the world are doing exactly that by setting up tiny AI systems that solve boring business problems. Today, I'm going to show you how to build one of these systems completely from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build your first automation, sell it, and scale it to a full $1,000 per month, even if you've never used automation tools before. Let's jump in. The very first step is choosing a simple automation that solves a real problem for small businesses. And trust me, you don't want anything complicated. You want something repeatable, easy to set up, and valuable enough that people happily pay you every month. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options that work insanely well. The first one is an inbox cleanup automation. Most small businesses drown in email. They get customer questions, spam, notifications, random updates, and they lose hours every week trying to sort through it. With a basic AI automation, you can categorize new emails, draft replies for them, flag the ones that are important, and archive the ones that aren't. This one alone can bring in $50 to $150 per month per client. The second option is a social media content generator. Businesses know they need to post, but they don't have time. Your AI tool can turn their weekly updates into polished posts, write captions, draft ideas, and organize everything into a simple posting plan. Businesses easily pay $100 to $300 per month just for this. And the third option, one of the most profitable, is a lead follow-up automation. Businesses lose money when they reply slowly. Your AI can respond instantly, qualify the person, and send the lead directly to the business owner. That service often sells for $150 to $400 per month. Pick one of these. Just one. Your goal isn't to build 10 things. It's to build one system that you can sell to many clients. Now that you've chosen your automation, let's actually build it. Don't worry. This part is much easier than it sounds. You only need 2 tools, ChatGPT or Claude for the AI responses, and an automation platform like Zapier, Make, or the free tool N8N to connect everything together. Let me walk you through the setup for the inbox cleanup automation, the simplest one. First, connect the client's Gmail or Outlook to your automation platform. Use the trigger when a new email arrives. Next, send that email to ChatGPT or Claude using a simple prompt. Something like, categorize this email, draft a professional reply, rate the priority from 1 to 5, return the results in clean JSON format. The AI sends back the category, priority level, and a ready-to-send draft reply. Your automation tool then uses that information to sort the email into folders, label it, flag it, and insert the draft response, all automatically. Finally, have the automation send a summary of each processed email to a Google Sheet. That becomes your weekly inbox report the business owner gets to see. That's the entire system. 3 steps, and it saves business owners hours every single week. Now let's turn that into an offer people actually buy. You're not just selling an automation, you're selling the result. More time, less stress, and faster replies. So package it like this. Call it the AI Inbox Assistant System. What they get: sorted inbox, draft replies, priority tagging, weekly analytics, and any adjustments they need, charged between $99 and $149 per month. Seriously, most owners don't even think twice because it's cheaper than hiring a part-time assistant. To make this even easier to sell, offer a free 7-day trial. Your automation works immediately, so it sells itself. Now, let's talk about getting your first clients. This is the part that usually scares beginners, but I promise, it's much easier than you think. There are 3 simple ways to get clients fast. The first one is local Facebook business groups. Search for groups in your area like business owners of your city. Make a simple post. I built a small AI inbox assistant that saves 5 to 10 hours a week. If any local business owner wants to try it free for 7 days, message me. You will get replies. The second way is Upwork or Fiverr. Create a service called, I will set up an AI automation system for your business. On these platforms, people already want to buy. You just show up with the right offer. And the third method is simple, cold email. Message real businesses that clearly get a lot of email. Realtors, gyms, salons, coaches, service providers. Send them something like, hey, I built a simple AI inbox assistant that organizes emails and drafts replies automatically. Want to try it free for 7 days? You don't need 50 clients. You don't need 20 clients. Just 6 to 10 clients puts you at $1,000 a month. Once someone says yes, delivering the system is easy. Hop on a 10-minute call and ask them 3 questions. What inbox do you use? What types of emails take the most time? Are there any emails you never want automated? Then connect their inbox, turn on the automation, and do a quick daily check that takes maybe 1-2 minutes. That's it. That's your whole business. And now let's talk about scaling. Here's the magic of AI automations. Your work does not increase as your income increases. One client pays you $100. 5 clients? $500? 10 clients? You're at $1,000 per month. And the amount of work feels almost the same. To scale smoothly, reuse your templates, reuse your setup, and keep everything organized in one simple spreadsheet. And once clients trust you, they usually want more. So you can add additional automations for $100 to $200 each. Like AI appointment scheduling, AI customer follow-ups, AI content creation, or AI analytics reports. Most clients say yes because they already trust what you built. And that's how people, normal beginners with no background, are building simple AI automation systems that bring in $1,000 per month. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to understand machine learning. You don't need a complicated business. You just need one small, useful system, one clear offer, and a few business owners willing to save time every week. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos on AI side hustles, AI workflows, and beginner-friendly step-by-steps, make sure to subscribe, because we're just getting started. The people who learn AI today are the ones who get ahead tomorrow. Let's build your first $1,000 month system together.